Hi all. In a previous video I explained how to download email attachments using Python from a mailbox and then file that email away in a subfolder so it doesn't get reprocessed again. In today's video, I will show you how to do the same thing using PowerShell and specifically Outlook. Follow along with me as I go over PowerShell code to read emails from Outlook, target specific emails, download associated attachments, and then move that email to a subfolder. Let's begin. This is a test mailbox that has several emails in it with a few attachments, as you can see. The emails that I will be targeting will have the subject daily report and will contain PDF attachments. So as it is right now, there will be two attachments downloaded. There are a few other emails with attachments as well, but these will be ignored. Okay, let's begin coding. PowerShell takes advantage of the entire .NET framework, so we can literally control Outlook or any Office product through add-ins. First thing we have to do is add two assembly types. The first is obvious, the Microsoft.Office.Interrupt.Outlook.com add-in collection, and the second is System.Runtime.Interrupt services, which will help in managing memory. Next, we are going to check if the Outlook application is listed in active objects and set the Outlook already running variable to true. This is added to ensure there aren't multiple instances of Outlook running. We will put this in a try catch block. Now we're going to try to launch the Outlook application as a new object and set our variable to false. This will also be in a try catch block as well. And in our catch block, we will just output that you must exit Outlook first. Next, let's set our namespace to Mappy. Okay, so this group of lines basically is our connection to Outlook through PowerShell. Our default inbox can be obtained through the namespace variable .getDefault folder, like so. And since we want to target a specific subject email, let's put our target subject of daily report in a variable. And within our emails variable, we will target emails with this specific subject. Subject like, and our subject variable. Under my inbox folder, there is a subfolder called completed. The variable called inbox is my top folder essentially. So to get a list of available folders, you would run this command. This would give us a list. So we are going to target a completed folder and pass it to a target folder variable. Now that we have a list of emails in our emails variable, we will loop over those emails and look for attachments. So for each email in emails, we will then loop over attachments because emails can contain more than one attachment. So for each attachment in attachments, then we can either target by attachment name if all of our attachments will be the same name, but I will be targeting by attachment type since I know all my attachments will be PDF documents. But in the event all your attachments will be the same name, we will add a distinguishing name by extracting the time the email was sent and adding that to the name of the file while we download it. So let's get the timestamp the mail was received like so. Then the name associated with the attachment and pass it to file name. Then inject the timestamp into the name and assign this as the new file name. Our file path will be where we will save the attachments. Then we actually save it to the file path with our new file name, like so. We will then move our completed email to our target folder that we set up earlier in the script. This is how our mailbox currently looks, and this is our target folder location. So let's run the script and see what happens. And that's it, folks. Simple PowerShell script that downloads attachments from Outlook and moves emails to a different folder. Hopefully you found this video somewhat helpful, and if you require further assistance, please reach out to us at help@aipsolutions.tech. The complete source code will be provided to subscribers, so please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. This video has been brought to you by AIP Solutions.